Hey family, so I'm about to cook dinner. So I'm gonna make some burgers and then some mashed potatoes and then some corn. So we're just gonna do something real simple. So let me get this meat going, and it's not a lot in here. It's just us two, and so I don't want to cook too much and it goes to waste. So I'm gonna add some Hogs Blue barbecue sauce to get a little twang in there. Just a little bit, not a lot. Then we're gonna add some adobo because I'm a Latina. You can't make food without adobo. And always wipe your containers off after use. You don't want to put them back in the cabinet dirty. A little bit of Italian seasoning. Some minced onions. Some Italian seasoning. There we go. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Ooh, the light is bad. Let me turn the light on. There we go. So that's what it looks like. And we're just gonna mix it all together. Usually I'll put egg in here, but it's just so little. I'm just not gonna put any eggs in it. And I'm not putting it on a grill, I'm putting it in a fry pan, so. So I sniff my meat when I'm seasoning it to see if it needs a little bit more something. Since you can't taste raw meat, especially poultry. I just do a sniff test, and it needs a little bit more garlic. A little bit of pepper. And plus a little bit of salt. And you should be good. So that's what it looks like so far. So I'm going to set that to the side and let this marinate just a little bit. And then I'm going to move this over. And in the meantime, clean this up earlier. I am going to get my pots boiling for my mashed potatoes. have to, sorry. I have to turn this, leave it here, and then turn the burner on at the same time. So we're gonna go to light, and boom, it's lit. That quick. Love it. Simple, easy, nothing to it. That's gonna be for our corn. So I'm gonna pause the video right now. I'm gonna shape the patties and then I'm gonna come back to it. Okay, so I got the corn going, and it's just some corn, butter, some Italian seasonings, a little bit of adobo, and a smidget of sugar. A little Italian lady I knew told me when you're doing vegetables, add a little bit of sugar. So like when you're doing your spaghetti, stuff like that, it just enhances the flavor. Almost as if when you're cooking, when you're baking, in baking sweets, you have to put salt in your batter to enhance the flavor. So let's do it real quick. And then the potatoes is just milk, butter, and water. Let's turn that up. We're gonna get that to boiling. One thing I don't like about this stove, this eye in the front is like here. I'm just afraid something's gonna tip over, but we'll make it do. There we go. Alright, so we're going to let those cook down, and I will catch you back when we're ready to serve it up. Okay, so dinner is done. We have the turkey patties, corn, and mashed potatoes. And we still have plenty left over. So I don't eat big meals. I may eat several small meals throughout the day. And that's just how I eat. So it's on a small plate. So we're gonna sit down and eat dinner, and tell me what you think so far of the RV and the cooking facilities. It doesn't have a lot of counter space, but with this wood block, I just move it around. Prep over here, and then have space over here to set stuff. So prepping today 3 items was not hard at all. Not hard at all. I used to live in a apartment in San Diego, and my kitchen was tiny. When I say tiny, you know what? It's time for a drinky drink. Yes. So when I say tiny, I mean tiny. And I probably had this much prep space to cook, if that. So I'm not foreign to making a small area work. For whatever reason, this little pop-up stops right there. I think eventually I'm going to get it to the point where it comes out here just to give me that extra space so I can move the air fryer back, and then this will be additional prep space. But that's somewhere down the line, because phase 1 is done with a little bit of fixing there. Phase 1 is done. The only thing we're going to do now is figure out the water situation, and then in a month or 2 maybe start painting. I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you like it so far? Tell me what your thoughts are. I still don't have a name for her. So I need to get a name. Drop it down below if you have an idea of what I should name her. Again, I'm a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. I came through in spring 2004. I am a number 3 on my line, and I was a tail. There was only 3 of us. This is my 3rd RV. So I was trying to keep it somewhere in the line of that. The first one was Arizona, because that's the founding member. Second one was Deuce, and of course this is number 3. I don't know what to name her. I don't. So one, drop it down below. Tell me some of the things that you would have cooked on my first official dinner first official dinner in the RV. Like I said, I cooked breakfast this morning, I cooked lunch, and now dinner. So, all right, everyone, thank you. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and save me so that I can get my viewership up and my. I just want to share my adventures with everybody. I'm excited about what's going to come forward, even if sometimes we just go out for 30 minutes from my house. So it may be weekends where we're just out down the block, around the corner. It may be a weekend we're an hour or so away. I don't know, but I want to bring you guys on the joint on my journeys as we progress through this RV lifestyle. Weekend warrior. Shout out to all the full timers. One day I'm gonna get there. One day I'm gonna get there. But anyway, please like, please share, please subscribe, and comment below. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.